Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Hyun, so I'm back with another video. It's been a fucking minute, but you know, we're back. Actually, it hasn't. I just procrastinated editing. Anyways, guys, so we have a brand new package right here. It is from FaZe Clan, so we're gonna assume it's the Lyrically Lemonade hoodie, or they sent me more Kappa, which I would happily appreciate. Because I actually got like these two little dirt marks on like the white part, and it didn't come out in the wash. I literally cried for a second, but we're okay. So yeah, anyways, this is the Lyrically Lemonade hoodie. I think I got black. I may have got white. I'm not too sure. But what you want? I'm really excited. I've wanted this one for a while. I was originally gonna pay 500 restock for it, or retail for it, but that's cool that we didn't have to. So shout out to you, FaZe. I fuck with you. I wish I knew the Ewok one came out because I probably would have copped that instead, but it's whatever. So anyways, like everyone expected it to be, I got a large because obviously, if you guys know this channel, you know I like to oversize my shit. Anyways, Lyrically Lemonade FaZe badge right here. It is, I don't know the word for it, but it's a knit-on badge. It's not like a fucking print, you know what I mean? So that's really nice because you know it won't scrape off in the wash or whatever. I'm actually going to try it on. I'll be back in a second. I'll tell you guys how it feels, and bye-bye. Okay, and we're back. So, obviously, hoodie's questionable sized. I don't know. Like, I don't like the feeling of the hood. It's very small for my big-ass fucking head. They feel cheap, so I might pull them out eventually. I'm not sure. But, guys, this is actually a Champion collab as well, if you guys are interested in knowing that. They got the Champion badge right here. That's super dope. I'm actually really happy. I've wanted to get more Champion hoodies, so this is a perfect opportunity for that. But, yeah, Lyrically Lemonade logo. Very nice. FaZe the fuck up. The large fits down to, like, my crotch area. It goes over my pockets. Very nice for public and shit, because I can just do that. I don't really know. I'm just going to go in a mirror and show you guys this thing. If you do enjoy, though, leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, dab on the haters, and I'm going to be bringing you guys a video about how I got scammed on StockX for $2,000, so that's pretty nuts. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a second. Bye-bye.
It's Valentine's, bitch. I'm chilling with your chick, and we crying, watching lame, bitch. She got me something, let's just say she let my hotel brainless. I like my women short and loud, like the movie trailers. My money tall is looking like it's playing for the Lakers. Cameras on me everywhere I move. Doji in the booth, he looking cute.
Cute as fuck!